If you are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Bubs, also known as Bubsbee, and this is a different type of video for me. I love watching cleaning videos, organization hauls and organization videos and declutter videos, anything like that. That's what I love. I mean, I stay tuned for those all the time. I just turn them on in the background as I am doing my own housework, and yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do. So let me know if you like this type of video. This is going to be an extreme kitchen clean. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen from head to toe. This is my weekly routine when it comes to my kitchen, and sometimes it just gets a little worse during the week and I have to do a lot more during my weekly clean. So like I said, if you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So this is the current state of the kitchen right now. I do have some dishes to do, not too many. I've let the dishes kind of piled up over the course of a couple of days. You can see I have a lot of food on the island. The floor needs to be swept. It needs to be mopped as well. Hi Yoko. There's our cat Yoko saying hello. And you can see I have a pile of laundry to do, so I'm gonna put a couple loads in as well. I'm going to sweep the steps, organize food, put food away, and so yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first step when it comes to cleaning, I do try to put a load in first. Periodically as I am cleaning, I'm going to take out a load, put a load. I did about 3 to 4 loads during this day. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. And would you guys like me to talk through the videos, or would you just want to hear music over top? I can do either or, just let me know. I'm just going to include a mixture of both in this video. This is typically the laundry detergent we like to use. I like to just get a big size at Home Depot. I will leave any links down below if I can find the products shown in this video for you guys to purchase if you want. Now it's time to tackle the dishes. I'm going to first start to organize the dishes before I start washing them. But before I get started with anything, I am going to show you guys what I like to listen to during my cleaning sessions. I have all my songs on my Google Play. Google Play is going away, so now it's YouTube Music, and I just have all my gospel songs, my gospel tunes, and I listen. I am singing and cleaning all at once. For everyday cleaning, I do like to use my Mrs.Meyers spray or my Fabuloso. This is really good at cleaning. It's not going to disinfect, but it does clean really well. I just apply it in a separate applicator just so I can spray the product where I want it. And to clean my dishes, I use the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day dish soap, as well as this cleansing sponge. You can find this sponge on Amazon. Like I said, I'm gonna leave those links down below for you guys. After wiping the counter, I am going to clean the dish rack first before I start doing the dishes. The dish rack does get dirty over time, so I want to clean that before I apply my clean dishes on top of it. So next, I do stack my dishes before I apply them in the dishwasher. This saves me a lot of time, so I'm not moving back and forth from the dishwasher to the sink. I will wipe any griminess off the dish, rinse, and then stack them up so I can apply them in the dishwasher. Motivates you guys to get up and start cleaning, or tackle a section or an area in your house that you haven't gotten to in a while. That's usually what happens to me. I put a video like this on, and all of a sudden an area of my house is spick and span, okay? So let me know if these types of videos motivate you or not. like to use dishwasher pods for my dishes. I just use the Finish brand. They work really well, and I do get a ginormous box that lasts a while in my house. So now that the dishes are in the dishwasher working, I am then going to start to hand wash some dishes as well, which is usually my bottles, any extra bowls, any pots and pans, any extra utensils I may need later on in the day. I will hand wash those. So now I'm just going to put away some food that is out in the cabinets, in the refrigerator, put some fruit away, some snacks, things like that. I do have a very small kitchen, so I tend to cram everything into a cabinet. If you guys have any solution for great organizing hacks for a small kitchen area, please let me know, because I don't have enough space for my big family at all. So this is just what works. You guys are probably wondering, where are the kids at now? And you'll see them soon, but most of them are taking naps at this moment, and some are just playing, gaming, things like that. So here's some of the fam. My husband just came from the store, so he's giving me more work to do. I know that happens to many. You're cleaning up, and then more people come in to make more messes for you to clean. It's just what it is. Life of a family of 8. So after everyone evacuates the kitchen, I'm going to put all these groceries away. You can see my sneaky child still, the car keys. Yep, you always have that one child. After that, I'm going to clean the top of the island. I like to actually use the Lysol all-purpose cleaner to clean it, just because that disinfects. And sometimes my husband does use this island as a cutting board. He does chop some things on here, so I tend to use the Lysol spray more often than not just to sanitize it. Now I am finally finished up the dishes and allowing these pots and pans to dry on the island. Next up is the stove, and I'm using the same spray. I also didn't mention the rags I like to use. These are actually rags for vehicles. They are a microfiber cloth and they soak up moisture and clean really well. And they're pretty affordable for the amount you get. So I like to use these to clean any area of my home. And if I need to get any extra grimy spaces off, I will just use steel wool, and this doesn't scuff up the area. I just use a really light hand. This is not a deep clean of the stove, I'm just maintaining it. Now I'm just going to quickly wipe down the appliances, wipe down the cabinets, and I'm using the same exact spray. Meanwhile, I am taking a load out and adding another load to the washer. Here's the Mrs. Meyers spray I like to use. I am now going to go in and wipe the walls down. It has been maybe 2 weeks since I wiped the walls and there's just grime, there's guck, children throwing food, splashes from meals. I don't know, just it's dirt. You just don't know where it comes from. I'm just gonna wipe down each area I feel like it's necessary to wipe down. And taking that Lysol spray, I am going to wipe down the trash can. Usually the trash can is the last area I wipe. After that, I'm going to quickly sweep the area. Sweeping for me and mopping is like my least favorite thing to do. So I will just sweep the area and my husband will come in later and mop for me. And this is the end of the video. The kitchen is so clean, but tomorrow it will be back dirty, okay? It just will. With a family of 8, my kitchen is the first area to get the dirtiest. So I tend to try to do this every week, if not every 2 weeks. I try to really just get in there and get all the dirt from any area that I see. If you like this type of video, please let me know down below. I will continue to make videos like this. Trust me, I have a ton of areas in my home that I can deep clean for you guys to see. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.